a day. We don't come again for this our news channel. If this one is the first time where you come across this our video, make you do well to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe before, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news where they enter your phone as if in a text message. My people, on today's news, we want to talk about one comrade for Niger where don't come out talk say in they happy say this Senate, Nigeria Senate, not sign this bill where Mr. President don't bring come out to say in like and well where they thank the Senate say they never look into this kind of thing. Where Babati don't bring come and say he want do with Niger people. He also talk say he don't know why Babati they try to cause war between these two people where they know say they get very good communication. In talk 20 things for this video. My people could not listen to waiting in talk concerning this matter where they are rising.
I want to say this very means to congratulate members of the Senate for denouncing the instruction needed by His Excellency Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces, seeking for Nigerian Armed Forces to invade Niger Republic. Nigeria and Niger, we are together. You, Mr. President, Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, able to say you share borders with Niger, the Yorubas, western part of Nigeria, Lagos, Ondo, Ekiti, Oyo, Osun. If they share the borders with the Niger Republic, can you suggest for Nigeria to go into war with the Republic of Niger? So don't play with our intelligence. We have voted for you tremendously and we supported APC 100%. But now you wanted to reward us with what? What concerns Nigeria with coup d'etat? How many coup d'etat took place in West Africa? It took place at Guinea-Conakry. It took place at Republic of Mali with capital at Bamako. It took place at Burkina Faso with capital at Ouagadougou. Why? Then the ECOWAS has not intended to invade Mali, Guinea, and Burkina Faso. Now you wanted to incite war between Nigeria and the Niger Republic. As we at the extreme end of Nigeria, Jigawa, Kano, Katsina, and so on and so forth, Borno and so on and so forth, we have shared the border. Our parents, our forefathers were having intermarried between Niger and Nigeria. I want to repeat it again, that even to say the Yorubas share a border with the Niger Republic, can you suggest war to be conducted between Nigeria and Niger? No.
My people, hope now watch this video reach the end though. What do you feel concerning this matter? This man they make sense, abi they make sense. Now truth they talk, abi na lie they talk. Because to some extent I they see some truth for waiting they talk. Because we don't today close. Most Nigerians marry Niger people. There is relationship and the relationship between us they okay, they well, but I don't know why this war matter they sweet some people to talk. Some people they happy say waiting people do waiting you want do. You know waiting this thing go cause better war. I beg my people make una do well to comment. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Make una drop una comment for comment section so that we go know what you think concerning the matter. Whether waiting Tinubu our president they try to do, whether it makes sense or it not make sense. Make we know, make people know, where other people know. Say yes, so it makes sense or it not make sense. Where people bring their own different opinion concerning this issue. Well, my people, now this one I carry coming to now today. We could not do well to share like I talked on before. Until we meet again for another news, we could not stay safe. Una do.